Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times in the past. I don't remember exactly the last time I did the chart, but regardless, that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And both levels certainly pertain into today's price movement. As far as the 1 point of confirmation, if we can use that word, has to do with $8.80 right here. And while that wasn't exact, the price definitely did struggle right around the general vicinity of $8.80. And like I said, previous time when I've done this, I talked about this as being an area of resistance. And yeah, there's no doubt about it. It did indeed act as resistance, and it was a very stubborn level. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying the price can never get up above $8.80 again. I'm just saying, apparently, according to the story that the chart is telling us, the price is really going to need to bring its A game to not only fight above that level, but more importantly, stay up above it. Because to be fair, getting up above it was not the problem. Plenty of times today, the price was actually up above $8.80. But when it came to that second part of establishing a true break, the second part being, maintaining above that level, that's where the price struggled all day long. So no doubt about it. $8.80 is that initial level of resistance. If the price can push back up through there, the next key overarching one is going to be that purple line there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. I say famous because it's a very well-known technical indicator, and even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-period moving average. Now, on the flip side of things, in regards to levels of support, I'm going to scrunch this up here a little bit. The big one coming forward, and this is by no means some sort of great discovery on my part. I bring this up because there's going to be a lot of people watching it. And when a lot of eyeballs are watching a certain area and then wondering the same thing, you call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some pretty dynamic price movements, and that's the pink line there, the 200-period simple moving average. So watch that level. If the price cannot hold up above there, then at that point it would not be shocking at all to see the price go down to at least retest $8.50, if not lower. But so far so good. The price continues to maintain above that pink line there, but these are definitely some of the key technical levels going forward. So still a couple days left this week. We'll see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.